Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's tutorial is going to be on the home screen and how to move apps around and combine them into folders. Please make sure to subscribe and visit richclose.com for more tutorials. Today we're going to talk about the home screen and arranging apps. The first thing that I'd like to show you is actually how to get the apps in a mode where you can move them around. So basically you press anywhere on a screen, either a blank spot or one of the apps, and you'll see the app start to wiggle. That now means that you can grab an app and move its position, or move an app and slide it over to the next page and put it on the next page. And there's a little bit of playing around to do. You can see they kind of jump and wiggle as you go. And when you're done, you just click somewhere on the blank screen or the home button, and it will stop the apps from wiggling and they'll stay in the location that they were at. The other option is again, I'm going to just take and press and hold on an app, and you can see you get prompted for Edit Home Screen, get that same wiggle mode, and again, you can then slide the apps to the screen where you'd like to have them reside. So pretty simple, it's straightforward on moving an app from screen to screen. I'll show you one other thing that you can do is you can actually have apps go into folders. So if you can see, this is an app here that's just a single app for Apple Maps or Google Maps. And then above it, I have a folder with a bunch of content with Google apps, for example. I've just arranged it this way. You can choose to arrange it however you would like. Then you can select one of the apps to open the app up. So to create a folder, you can just, again, go back and edit the home screen. So I'm going to press and hold anywhere. And if you drag two apps and place them over the top of one another, they actually jump into a folder, and you can see Google actually named that navigation. So we click off, and there's our new folder, or group I should say, with the two navigation apps together. So now your app group has been created. Apple gave it the name Navigation. If you want to go change the name, again, you can edit the home screen anywhere. I'm actually going to press and hold the group. And if you open it, you can click on the name, and I'm going to just backspace, and I'm going to call this Maps. And you can see now when I exit out of here and stop the home screen, just by clicking on it, my new group is now called Maps, or folder is called Maps. So now if you want to undo that and want those to be separate, I can press and hold again, and you just drag the app out of the folder, and you need to do that for all of them. And now you can see the folder's gone and the two map apps are separate. So again, you can use the home screen and move apps around, organize it how you'd like to see fit. You can see I have multiple screens for all my apps, and I'll explain in another video the logic as to why I set up certain screens the way I did. For example, I like photography. This happens to be a screen with all of my photography type apps, right? So there you have it. A little bit on how to organize the apps on the home screen. Thank you for watching my video. Again, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website, where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.